All right, friends. So today we're going to be playing a memory match game with some numbers. So I have a whole bunch of cards here on the table. And what we are going to do is all of us are going to have a turn going around and picking two cards up. And we're going to see if they match. Which match also means like if they're the same. So, yeah, some of you might have played memory match before. And some of you might have not. So I'm going to explain how we're going to play this game, and then we'll get started, and each of us will have a turn, okay? So some of these cards, I want to show some of these cards just have a number on them. Like this one has the number 1, and then this one just has the number 3. So some of our cards just have some numbers, okay? And some of our other cards on here have some words on them. So like this card says 1. This card says 3. So, as we can see, some of them have words, some of them just have numbers. But as we can see, they all have a match. So, when it's someone's turn, you're going to pick up only 2 cards. And you'll either get a match or you won't get a match. So, let's say you pick up the number 3 and you pick up the word 3. So these match. These are the same thing. The number 3 and the word 3. It matches. So you would keep these cards by yourself, and then you'd go again. But let's say you picked up the 3 and you picked up this and it says 1. So 3 and 1 are not the same thing. They don't match. So we would go ahead and we put them down, and you put them back face down right where you got them from, so that our other friends can maybe try to get a match. So that's how we're going to play the game. And each friend's going to have a turn, because we're going to keep going until we have no more cards on the table. So we're just going to keep going and taking turns the whole entire time, okay? So first we're going to start here with Sarah. So Sarah, go ahead and pick 2 cards. Okay, let's see what cards you got. You picked the number 2. What's the other one you got? The number 9. So do those match, Sarah? Are they the same? Nope. So go ahead and put them back down, face down. Yep. And now it's Rachel's turn. So go ahead, Rachel. Pick your 2 cards. Tell us what you got. You got the word 5. Yep. And you got... What number is that, Rachel? And a number 5. So Rachel... Is that the same, 5 and 5? It is. So Rachel, go ahead and keep that, and you're going to have another turn. So Rachel, yep. So you picked the word 6, and you picked the word 12. Nope, that doesn't match. You're right. So it's now Billy's turn. So go ahead, Billy, pick 2 cards. What'd you get? The number 3 and 11. Does that match, Billy? It does not. So now it's Emma's turn. So go ahead, Emma. Ooh, what number? 12. Oh, and what number? 4. You're right, Emma. Those don't match. We're going to put them right back where you got them from. Now it's Timmy's turn. Go ahead, Timmy. What number? 1. And you got 11. Do those match? They do not. You're right, Timmy. So we're going to put those right back where we got them from. Now we're going to go back to Sarah. It's your turn. Ooh. What'd you get? 10 and 3. Nope, that doesn't match. So now we're back to Rachel. What did you get? 11, 2. Not a match. Billy's turn. What'd you get? A 7 and a 3. Did those match? No. We got Emma. Emma's turn to go. 11. 12. Doesn't match. All right, Timmy, your turn. Ooh, what'd you get? Let's sound it out. 3. There we go. And what other one did you get? And the number 3. All right, Timmy, you got a match. Go ahead and keep that. Nope, keep it right next to you. And then, Timmy, you get to go again. You got a 2 and a 11. Nope, doesn't match.